Welcome everyone, how's it going? What is up today? Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading. 31st of August, the last day of the month. Cardano is acting quite decently. Out of the top 10 for the past 24 hours, the only one that is on the green side is actually Cardano. So let's find out more information. I mean, we do have Ethereum as well, but it's kind of up and down around the limit. We've got the global market cap on 0.29 increase today, so things are looking quite promising. 15-minute candlesticks for our situation, this is where we are. I'd like to zoom in a little more and see what has been happening. So during this whole situation, seems like Cardano wants to build an uptrending channel. There is this green line that comes from back in the day, which is a very important price action line that obviously no longer has the ability to act extremely accurately like it did here on a fake out. And that's actually a mixture over there with the golden pocket resistance appearing in between the two yellow lines. So but take a look what's happening there on the group of tops, how accurate our trending line that is coming in, like I said already for a while, has been acting along with the golden pocket resistance. That's impressive, guys. That is literally impressive. So then the reaction from the first candle that denies the movement is already 1.3%. So that's something on the table for day traders. They're happy to take that on a 10x leverage. That's 13%. If you're taking 13% a day, you're good to go. Gonna be a millionaire quite soon. So the whole structure here obviously wants to point in an uptrending direction with the ability at some point to accelerate and get closer and closer to the 50 cents mark. There is a whole lot of the liquidity and volume in the candlesticks that I'm going to mark with you right now. So what I have encircled right there is because right next to us to the left side, those candlesticks that represented the crash are fulfilled with immense amount of volume, with tremendous amount of volume of market order downwards. So once the market starts picking up some bullishness and we have the buying pressure dominating, those things are going to be taken out in the liquidity game process. So what happens? You get to see the pump easily back to the tops, which obviously could easily generate like a double top formula. Can easily do that, which is something you'll have to be very careful about on the Cardano. That's a place of a possible reversal. Now the only thing is needed here not to have BTC crashing around, and BTC is also considering other markets such as the US dollar, such as the Nasdaq, S&P 500, and then the London. So you got the Asians. It's all basically involved and measured in the actions of BTC. It is not decoupled like it used to be during the bull runs or like it is during the aggressive bear market movements. This is a cycle right now that we're going through where we have a whole lot of the connections with all the other markets. So there's so much room basically until the support, which is supposed to react. You need to keep that in mind, is supposed to react. Now there is a big difference between something that is supposed to react and react, which is why we trade on confirmations. We do not trade only on things that we hope. We must see and then act accordingly at the fastest time and the most accurate situation. This is how it is, guys. There's nothing in any other way. Now, Cardano is basically in a situation of a dominance towards bullishness compared to the other crypto space and BTC. We are in a much better situation. Beautiful. For today, that's pretty much all. 31st of August. If you like the video, if you subscribe, you're going to be having a good time by watching my other technicals as well. For those of you looking for education, we've got the private one-to-one education directly with me, a coaching program where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Watch this video till the end. We also have a commission trading running around. If you want to trade what do I trade for myself and be part of the game, make sure to check that out. Feel free to watch this one till the end. For those of you which value education and think that in life you can achieve success by working hard and getting yourself educated and skilled in a field, feel free to check out scrembocoaching.com, my page describing how the coaching that is one-to-one directly with me between 4 to 6 weeks, intense and private, is working, is functioning. You can find that more on the page, and you can also have a free conversation with me of 15 minutes. As well, register now for more information, and I'll get back to you on your email. On the other side, if you want to follow my trades, if you want to be part of the movements, what do I trade for myself? We can trade for you as well. Through API, no upfront fees. It's just commission out of the pure profits we make. That's all. Simple commission after profits are made. This is all. On the left side of the page, we have our trading performance documented since September 2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have instructions on how you can join and how the commissions are working. So this is pretty much all, folks. This page is scrembocoaching.com/today. Both links can be found in the description area and comments area. That's all, folks. Have a good time. Subscribe, hit the like button, and enjoy the day.